What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm yours truly, and you are truly welcome to my channel. So guys, today, as you can see here, right here, you can't really see it, but I'm in my little spot where I always record. So I was gonna do it in the kitchen, but there's too many interruptions, so yeah. So if you don't know what we're doing today, we're gonna do a seafood boil. So I kind of already started to eat a little bit because I was hungry, but like I was picking at it, and guys, I cannot, for the sake of my life, I cannot get the king crab open to get the meat inside. That's what I'm trying to do. I always see people love be like, I can't do that. But, and also guys, I have great news. So the last video I was talking about like, I'll give away a giveaway. We got 1,000. Y'all, guess what? We got 1,000. So, guys, and I am really tired. So, still, because I did go to bed really late. So, bear with me. That's why I sound a little drowsy. But, so, yeah, we did hit 1,000. And, I'm thinking about the giveaway. And I'm thinking about what I should put in the giveaway. It's a mystery box. And the video on how to win the giveaway should be out tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get into this mukbang, and I don't really know what to talk about, but I'm gonna show y'all what I have for really quickie. So I did have some cocktail sauce, and I did not like it. I don't know if y'all guys like it, but in my opinion, like me personally, I did not like it. So but I'm gonna show you what I have now. So I have some lemon, guys. Like I said, bear with me because I'm really tired and I'm like over here like but I have some lemon. Of course, you gotta eat lemon with shrimp and seafood, period. I got a big ass potato, which I'm probably not going to eat all, but I'm going to eat majority of it because I like these type of potatoes. And I have some corn, which I know I'm going to eat all because I love corn, period. And I got some king crab legs. And I need to figure out how to crack them open without freaking dripping this juice everywhere. I brought in freaking one napkin. Very smart, Joseph. And some shrimp. Little pieces of shrimp in there. And then I got some salt here, and y'all saw my water just now, so yeah. And I got a knife here just in case I need to crack them open, but I don't know if that's gonna work because I always see her use scissors, but I'm so like, I don't have any scissors, so yeah, just bear with me. I thought somebody was in the house. It's the TV in the next room. So we're gonna start with some shrimp on camera. I already tried it off camera, but I love shrimp. You know, I don't want to eat a big bite of this potato, so I'm gonna cut it into bitty pieces. And I almost got my finger. Y'all, so far, the meat, I did try some of the meat, like inside of the crab thingy, whatever it is. And it's not that bad. So it was good. I just feel like it needs some salt. Oh, that was too much salt. Yeah, that was too much salt, but okay. Okay, let's get some of this meat here from this crab leg. Guys, this is not doing it for me. Hold on. Okay, let's just try it. BTW, let's do a thumbnail first. Actually, there's like juice dripping out of it. Oh no. Okay. You do with the mayonnaise. Okay, that's good. Yes, I don't know how people be doing this shit. It's so messy. Beloved, I give you creds. I don't know. What you do is true art. I don't care if it's just eating. It's true art. Period. So guys, actually should I just like say what the giveaway is gonna be like? Or should I just wait? Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait because I really haven't fully decided what's going in the mystery box yet, so. I gotta go look at the store. No! Guys. No. Look guys, this meat in here is like actually so good. But it got cold. Or is it originally cold? There's meat in this, dude. I cannot. No, I really can't open this. Ah. Oh, and there's so much juice. Oh my god, my freaking house is gonna, my floor is gonna smell like fish. Let me try this. Maybe it'll be easy from here. Look, I got some meat. Oh no, that's not me, honey. There's a little bit right here. Y'all, I do not know anything about no. Next time, I'm gonna do it the right way. Ow! You dead. You ain't supposed to be pinching me. Okay. 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 It's so messy. I'm gonna cry. I wanted this to be so good. It's going so wrong. Y'all, I'm probably gonna have to. I'm gonna continue eating this with y'all for like a little bit longer and then just get off and try to eat it on my own. Try to figure this shit out. And next time, we gon' have this shit figured out because that was good. More shrimp. The potato hidden. This is some corn. Oh, so drippy. Oh yeah. I'm really finna go mop my floor after this. Over here dripping. This is not a good place to do a seafood boil, period. Next time we'll be in my kitchen, a bigger plate. Oh, also guys, the other reason I didn't want to eat that damn cocktail is because it made me mad and got on my damn shirt. Look at this. No, y'all can see that stain. It was so annoying. And it got all over too. Like it squirted when I tried to open it. And I was like, oh, no, sis, you gone. I'm gonna try to attempt to eat more meat from This crab leg. Guys, I'm so disappointed. I was so happy to eat this, but like now I'm like mad because I don't know how to open that. Because I know for sure there's supposed to be meat inside this damn crab leg, so there's more shrimp here anyways. I'm gonna ask my dad for help to crack it open when he gets back. Then we'll get food for my sister. This is what I wanted. Potatoes are good for you, so I'm gonna help you. I think also seafood's good for you. So I'm eating more healthy today. Plus the water. Okay. I'm gonna take a bite of my corn and then we'll end it. And then yeah. Oh yes, I'm gonna go because I already heard someone walk up in this house. But if you did enjoy me eating, I know it wasn't the best mukbang. I tried really hard to crack this shit open. And it was making a mess of my floor. Next time we're gonna do it in my kitchen, and I did like the meat, so I would do this again. And yeah, so if you want to see the part 2, just comment down below, and please follow all my social medias. Now they're always on my screen, in the comment section as well, and always read the description because I always have like my older videos in there, my fall/winter videos in there, just like videos that are really good that I've put out. And yeah, so if y'all did enjoy this video, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. And let's continue to grow. Let's get to 2,000. And yeah, love you. So next time, yours truly is out. Peace.